Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got something pretty cool here. Kind of went off the board a little bit for Talking Bullion what I buy, but I thought they were pretty cool, and they weren't that much money. And so I thought I'd give them a try and see what they look like. They look pretty cool. Bought them off eBay, and thought it'd be nice to add to the old stack, and a little bit of collectability maybe. I don't know. Pretty cool. But why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, I'll see if I can get it up with my trusty dull knife. If not, probably cut it with my scissors. Let's go ahead and cut a little bit further and let's take a look, because I'm not really sure what to expect with these. Alright, down inside. And here we go. There you go. What is it? What does it say? Quarter? 1 quarter? Let's get inside here and take a look. Nice. So what is it? It is a... it's kind of chunky feeling. 1/4 ounce round of the Scottsdale Lion and Scottsdale Bullion. Ooh, is that cool or what? See if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go, it's a little better. Yeah, is that cool or what? I thought this was pretty cool. I'd never seen one before. I don't know how rare they are or when they made them. We can see if is there a date on there anywhere? 1/4 of a troy ounce, 999, pure silver, Scottsdale Silver. Is that pretty cool or what? I just got a kick out of that. I thought a 1/4 ounce of the old Scottsdale. I've been getting the Scottsdale bars lately, so I thought this would be a nice little addition to the family. And I like the design. I thought the lion was pretty cool. We all know that's on the Scottsdale. Same line that's on the bar, just a little off center a little bit. Looks to be about the same, right? Yep. So yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. Nice little 1/4 ouncer. I paid obviously more than spot for it, but it wasn't ridiculous. A couple other people bidding on it with me, and I wasn't going to pay too much for it, but you see the mirror finish, you can see my finger bouncing off of there. So yeah, pretty nice, huh? 1/4 ounce Scottsdale. Now they have some other ones out there I may be interested in if I can get them at the right price. But again, I don't want to overpay for this stuff just because it's cool. I like the cool factor, but not to the point of spending too much for it. But yeah, is that awesome or what? I thought that was really cool. Well, that's it. Just a short little video. Just wanted to show you something cool that I picked up as opposed to just some stacking boring bullion. And we all know this is just bullion. There's a little step up above from boring though, right? I think so. Alright. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.